Check it out, guys. Wow, we got ourselves a big icon, Mk5 Supra. Not bad, but this thing, there's a lot of work to do. You think it's worth it to fix this thing? Let me know. First, there's a big damage right here, undercarriage. The front bumper, there's a damage right there. The main problem is he got smacked on this side. Everything was pushed back in. He got hit on that side and then rebound on this side, right on the curve. The rocker panel is gone. This half of fender right here was pushed back, hitting the door when you open it. So, is it worth fixing this Supra? I'll give you guys a little hint. All these brand new parts came with the vehicle. So all these parts, it has to go with that Supra right there. So stay tuned. Let's go. Alright, so long story short, I'll give you guys a history about this vehicle here. I got it from the auction. I finally tracked down the owner of this vehicle, spoke with him at least 5-10 minutes, asked about the history of this vehicle. So it's his first vehicle. He's like, my God, he sounds like a young kid. I asked him about the story. How did he get an accident on the front right corner right here? And why is it like, seems like there's not much damage by the look of it. And then you can see right here, somebody's been tampered trying to fix it. And then the shocks mount is way out compared to the other side. And then the shock tower on that one is white color and this one is black. You can see on the picture before I spend my money to get this. So you can see they're trying to fix it up. Okay, that's why it looks nice and decent by the look of it, but technically it was a mess before. So his story was, in the middle of the night, he was driving home. Somehow he was, who knows, had a little drink maybe, or tired. He said he was tired and he wasn't paying attention that the road was curved to the left, and somehow he went straight, low reaction. He ended up hitting the curb, got smacked right there, and he went over the curb, down who knows where to the ditch, I don't know. So this got pushed back into the engine. This is what I think what happened. After he hit the curb, his whole wheel knuckle, the shocks, push into the engine side and then crack the shock tower out of the apron right here. It was bent and push everything back. That's why we got a bunch of parts right here. All these parts is under his name. That's how I know the owner of this vehicle. And I tracked down on Facebook, and he lives about 2 hours from me. So I sent him a message on Facebook. Took about almost a month for him to reply. So finally, we had a talk, and that's the story. All this part under his name. He didn't purchase this. It's the insurance that trying to fix this. The insurance money, spend all those parts to fix it up and bring it back to the road. So somehow there's something at the end of the line that they end up selling it on the auction. And now it's here in my garage. This is under my skin. I'm gonna be fixing this up with all these parts right here. It has to go under that chassis. So let's go do a walk around here. See what we got for parts. Brand new trailing arm, lots knuckles, outer tie rod, so you can see when it got smacked, probably bent outer tie rod. Actually, this is an inner tie rod, a knuckle, front sway bar, shield. This is all the front hub, 2 hubs, came with 2 hubs. This is all the rivets and bolts. These are the stuff for bumpers. And we got front brake pads, OEM. Everything on this thing is OEM. Wow. This probably like 400 bucks. This probably like 500 bucks each. And this is the rear. This is the rear hub. You can see the rear hub because this CV axle goes in there. And the front is nothing. Rear wheel drive. This is probably like 400 bucks each. Rear pads about 300. A bunch of sensors right here, ABS sensors. Axle seal. Wow, a caliper as well, brand new caliper. It's probably like 300 bucks. And this is all the accessories, the front valence right there, right on the bumper, side skirt right there. This is probably like 300 or 400 bucks each. That look like a front shocks. Monroe, that's probably like 600-700. And non-returnable parts. We got a bunch of bolts, guys. So look at this. Holy cow, brand new bolts. Everything from the washer to nut to bolts to new parts. It's all brand new. This is the middle for the bumper, brand new. This one right here, what is this thing? Oh wow, half of the fender. This is probably like about 400 or 500. And this one right here, what is this? Let's open it up. Okay, this is piece for the front bumper. Yeah. And then undercarriage right there, the shield, those are the old one. Okay, so this big box right here, check it out. Wow, electric power steering gear right there. I bet you this probably like 3 to 4 grand. And then under the trunk, this is all the old broken pieces that they put. Who knows, you might need some of these pieces. When you work on vehicle, never toss anything away till you're done, because you might need this, you know. You might need this little retainer right here, you never know. And some of this stuff. So that's the scoop, guys. This is what's going on. You're gonna have to follow the channel, stay tuned, and then we're gonna be fixing the Supra. That's it. Thumbs up. See ya.